Every major AI lab runs a very similar product. A base subscription gets you chat, maybe with some coding and image generation folded in. But with how fast the AI race is moving, you want to experiment with the different models to see which one is strongest in a given area, so you always have access to the latest capabilities. But by doing that, you easily start stacking up subscriptions and token costs for every model you use. That stacking is exactly the problem that ChatLLM by Abacus AI is trying to solve for. Instead of a separate subscription and a separate token balance for every lab you want to try, one account gives you access to all of them, and they keep adding the newest models the moment each lab releases a new one. You can check it out by clicking the link in the description. ChatLLM brings GPT 5.6, Claude Fable 5, and Gemini 3.5 into a single interface, alongside Grok and DeepSeek. When one of those labs ships a new model, Abacus AI adds it to the platform, so the lineup updates without you needing to try to keep up with the AI news on what new models are available. The whole thing costs just $10 a month. Let's start with the basics of it. The simplest way to use ChatLLM is to pick a model directly and work with it the same way you would use a standalone app. It's the same GPT 5.6 or Claude Fable 5 you'd get through OpenAI or Anthropic's pricings, just accessed through one interface and under one subscription, instead of 5 separate logins and 5 separate bills. The idea is having access to multiple models in one chat interface. It's built around the chat and gives you access to a range of models inside one product. ChatLLM becomes unique in how much it can go beyond just a chat window. They have a feature called RouteLLM. Instead of you deciding which model to use for a given task, RouteLLM reads the prompt and picks the model it judges will perform best on it. Ask it to debug a piece of code, and it might route the request to whichever model is currently strongest at coding tasks. Ask it to summarize a lengthy contract, and it might route to a model built for handling long documents. The way to think about it is a dispatcher rather than a single expert. It isn't trying to be the best model at everything. It's trying to send each question to whichever model already is best at it. I've talked about this idea before on the channel. As AI models get stronger and more capable, the gap between them becomes a lot narrower. Past a certain point, the difference between model capabilities really shows only in the specific tasks. One model can edge ahead on a specific kind of coding problem and another on a specific kind of writing task. Figuring out exactly when your query needs which model is difficult to do by hand at the moment. But that's exactly the problem RouteLLM is built to solve. In addition, with ChatLLM's Humanize feature, you can convert your AI text into natural language. It provides various options like caring, professional sound, and other expressions. If you want your text to bypass AI detectors, it's a very easy feature to use. A few other features in ChatLLM round out this product quite nicely. Image and video generation are built in as well, with models like Nano Banana Pro and Midjourney for images, and Seedance and Kling are available for video. Presentation generation works in the same way. Describe the topic and the audience, and ChatLLM produces a formatted slide deck built on researched content and not just a blank template that you need to fill in yourself. On the team side, ChatLLM connects to the tools most workplaces already run on, like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. A company could use this to set up an internal chatbot that pulls from its own Drive folder to answer employee questions without a separate integration project. Things like account management, permissions, and shared conversations across a workspace are already handled directly inside the platform. The kind of basic administrative layer any team using this across multiple people would need. The other core features in ChatLLM moves away from chat entirely and toward building. Abacus AI agent generates a working application from natural language without writing code. With the help of Abacus AI agent, you can create mobile apps, websites, PowerPoints, CRM, and more. Say you want to build a personal library for everything you consume, like blog posts, podcasts, and YouTube videos all in one place. Through Abacus AI agent, you describe it in a single prompt like what to call it, what it should feel like, and what it needs to track. From there, Abacus AI agent takes over the build itself, setting up the database schema, writing the application code, and wiring up the pages. Once the build finishes, the app is ready to preview. It came built with a working dashboard, a library, a page to manually enter content, and even a visual of a working knowledge brain of the content uploaded. Behind that interface, Abacus AI agent also sets up what an application actually needs to run. A database already populated with sample records, stored credentials for the app's login system, and a domain to publish it under. You might think that any other coding agent can do the same, but the added benefit of this is having access to all the different coding models, so the best ones can get chosen to execute tasks it may be stronger at. This runs on what Abacus AI calls a parallel agent system, multiple AI agents working on different parts of the build at the same time, rather than one model handling the entire task in sequence. That's also part of the reason why the turnaround is fast enough to function as a real alternative to other coding agents or vibe coding tools. This is also where ChatLLM crosses into a territory for what OpenRouter is built for. OpenRouter solves the multiple model problem from the developer side. It's a single API that lets developers plug their own code into hundreds of models from dozens of providers without managing a separate integration for each one. It's built for people who are already writing code and want flexibility in which model powers it. Abacus AI agent is aimed at the opposite end of that same problem, getting to a working deployed application without writing the code yourself in the first place. The real limit is the scope of the work. A small internal tool like this demo is a strong fit for this approach, but a large security-sensitive, customer-facing application is a different category of project, and vibe coding tools across the industry are still catching up to that level of complexity. However, what it can do for a business is build a real customer-facing website, fit with realistic images, styling, and even a booking system integrated with Stripe for payment. The real value of this kind of product comes down to the math. Paying for GPT 5.6, Claude Fable 5, and Gemini 3.5 separately runs roughly at least $60 a month before adding other capabilities on top. ChatLLM by Abacus AI bundles all of that together. The models, the auto routing, the app builder, and the image and video tools into a single $10 monthly subscription. Once again, there's a link in the description if you want to try it yourself. Whether that trade makes sense depends on how many of these tools you're already paying for separately. If you're running 2 or 3 AI subscriptions right now just to cover different tasks, the math here seems to be straightforward. If you're only using one model for one purpose, the value is less about replacing anything and more about having the rest available the moment you need it.